one more time. When you guys shoot, just make sure you guys keep it high level. Don't like shoot up. Oh, that's one close.
Shit. I don't know where to go.
Go!
Alright, right side's out. 2 left, where they at?
There.
Oh, hit. Good shit. Did I get him? Did I hit him? No? I couldn't see. Show on the left! On the left, show! Show on the left! Watch out. Oh, there he is. You got him? Look at that booty.
Definitely player. Definitely to the back.
Oh, shit. My toes.
Everyone's on the same team. Everyone's on the same team. Spread out.
What? Oh, no.
Free. Free for all. Free for all.
Oh shit, where are you at? That was funny. I tried to jump. I can't jump shot with this. Two hit. I was like, whoa, whoa, whoa. Anybody know where they're at? Damn, my toes are wet. My bunions. Oh, I was gonna come for him. Damn. I thought I was safe. Oh, I saw that forearm. I saw that forearm. Good shit. Oh! Show, wasn't it? Yup. Watch out, watch out, watch out! Sorry. Oh, hit. Ah. I got him. Shit. How many hits you want? I think that's it. No way! The retreat worked!
Alright guys, looks like for me, we're gonna make it a one-on-one. You ready?
Oh.
Free for all, free for all!
Sorry.
This side.
I didn't mean to shoot you guys. He was rushing and scared me.
Go!
Oh! Gio! That was beautiful! Was that one hand? You one-handed one? Well, that was fire. What? Oh, sorry. Help! Hit! I was like, oh shit. I had nothing but these barrels. I didn't think you were still back there. I saw someone else. I was like, I'm gonna go get him. Oh, he's heavy load? Damn.